U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs attracting European Bitcoin ETPs, CoinShares analyst Jimmy Aki last updated, January 19, 2024 118 EST 2min read. Spot Bitcoin ETFs are already grabbing the headlines, according to a recent CoinShares report released on January 15. In a blog post, the digital assets investment firm revealed a $1.18 billion inflow into the crypto space in the past week, turning its searchlight into the region receiving the bulk of these funds. CoinShares James Butterfill identified the U.S. market as the principal recipient of the net inflows. The North American market took in a total of $1.24 billion, with the European market taking in minor inflows within the same period. While the inflows are commendable, Butterfill notes that they fall short of the record set at the launch of Bitcoin futures exchange-traded funds ETFs in October 2021, which received up to $1.5 billion. Providing reasons for the sudden shift from the European institutional crypto landscape to the U.S. market, CoinShares points to the recent approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Additional data in the report indicates that month-to-date MTD inflows to the U.S. institutional crypto market reached a robust $1.322 billion, the same as year-to-date YTD. The total assets under management AUM for the U.S. market stood at $40.024 billion. Following the same steps, ProShares ETFs in the U.S. attracted $265 million in the past week, while its MTD inflows stood at $337.4 million. Meanwhile, CoinShares report showed that Bitcoin was the chief beneficiary of the inflows, with $114.18 billion worth of Bitcoin assets making their way into the U.S. market. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have been a sensation in the nascent crypto ecosystem in the last 2 years. The regulatory approval process proved challenging, with the securities agency citing concerns about market manipulation and insufficient mechanisms to track the performance of the leading crypto asset. However, after a 2-year delay, the U.S. government agency gave the green light to roll out the crypto-backed service on January 10. In its announcement, the SEC approved 12 spot Bitcoin ETF applications, including ones from BlackRock, Fidelity, WisdomTree, and 9 others. Canadian Bitcoin ETF also impacted. The impact of this change in market dynamics has not been limited to the European landscape alone. The Canadian crypto market witnessed the most significant negative inflows, leading to a weekly outflow totaling 44.2. Germany and Sweden also experienced the repercussions, showing negatives of 27 and 15.5, respectively. Corroborating this outflow trend, the BitMEX research posted on X, formerly Twitter, noted that $30 million was moved out of the European markets on January 17 across all the top 4 largest European crypto products. The total outflow stood at a whopping $106 million for that day. Sharing insights into the outflows, BitMEX research revealed that European investors are rapidly moving their funds out of high-fee Bitcoin exchange-traded products ETPs for more cost-effective spot Bitcoin ETFs on offer in the U.S. market. CoinShares Luke Nolan also revealed that using a domestic spot Bitcoin ETF was more convenient for these institutions as they can execute the same basis trades. Follow us on Google News.